Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make a umeshu, plum wine. So this plum from my aunt garden. Good plum. Umeshu is popular in Japan, plum wine. So usually make different liquor. So I had brandy base, but usually using shochu or sake or whiskey base, any kind. But I really recommend brandy base. I'm always make brandy liqueur. So using crystal sugar like this one, I call korizato ice sugar in Japan. So this kind of container alcohol spray, bring up inside. So usually basic recipe is 1 kilo plum using 1 crystal block sugar and 1.8 liter liqueur. This one is blended. So you can use sake or shochu or whiskey, but I use the blended base. So this one is already cleaning up plum. Then some people took this portion, so it's almost clean. So 1 kilo plum, so I'm going to use 2 kilo plum. Crystal block sugar. Brandy base. Okay, it's too heavy. Looks nice. So keep somewhere in your stockroom. Keeping about, so I mean aging about 6 months. So getting good plum wine, very easy to make. So I'm just making 2 kilo plum, 2 kilo crystal block sugar, and brandy base 1.8 liter, 2 bottle. Very easy to make. So see you about 6 months later. This is very easy to make umeshu plum wine. Okay, making good aging. All right.